So with print on demand completely exploding and projecting to do that even more in the future, it's really important to diversify and sell lots of different products on your store within your niche. And so in this video, I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite products to sell. It's a bestseller on Printify, but not many sellers know about this product or have tried it in their store. And I'm gonna share with you an exact method that you can start selling this product and design it very easily. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Mac. I post videos talking about e-commerce, passive income, different ways to make money online, and all things Etsy, especially with print on demand. And if you aren't a part of our community here on YouTube, I'd love to have you here. When we're selling online, especially on platforms like Etsy with print on demand, there is a lot of competition, but this should not be something that is going to steer you away. Etsy has billions of buyers coming to its marketplace to make a purchase. They are there with the intention to make a purchase for something, and there is a very small percent of sellers when compared to buyers. So we have the upper hand on this. It's all about really understanding what products are going to sell and who our niche and target audience is. So here is the product. It is a tumbler. This I have designed a bunch of different ones for different niches on my stores, and it is a really high quality, beautiful product when printed. I do have it right here for you to show you and give you a better look at it. So this one here just has a nice trippy pattern on it. I also chose a specific color for the tumbler. And what's so great about all the variants on Printify for this product is the different color actual tumblers are gonna come with that colored straw as well. So I really love that touch. I think it adds to the design. So I do take joy when I'm designing these products in making sure the straw matches as well. But it does kind of match me today. It is my vibe. And yeah, so this I just made very easily with a pattern. I'm gonna show you how you can create a pattern in just a moment here, so stay tuned for that. But I wanted to just kind of show you how types of tumblers like this are selling on Etsy and the different types of tumblers they have on Printify that you can sell. So I am on Printify here, and I'm just gonna simply go up to the search bar and type in Tumbler. And this is gonna show us all of the different types of tumblers that they have. So as you can see here, there's so many different options depending on the aesthetic, the vibe that you're going for. So this is the one that I had just ordered here. This is the skinny tumbler with the straw in the 20 ounces from Fancy Fanny. This came relatively quickly for me. I'll put the exact production time and shipping time on the screen for you so that you can see. So once we know which tumbler we want and we want to make our design now, I'm going to show you the process to make different pattern designs like this one that you can later on customize. So I'm gonna hop over to Etsy here and just show you what some of these tumblers are looking like, what they're selling like. So I'm simply typing in the word tumbler here. As you can see, we're getting a lot of search results. So I'm just gonna filter that by going to star seller, applying that, and heading up here to where I would type the website in, and I'm just gonna type in best seller. It's a little hack that you can try to have it show you the best-selling listings. And then as you can see here, it's showing us the best-selling listings, and it's knocked that search result down to 11,000 search results. So a little bit easier to do our research. And if you do have a niche, I would encourage you to put the name in as well to check that out. And then to further check and show you how much listings are making selling tumblers, we're gonna use Evergreen, which I use often in my videos. And we're gonna go over to the product analytics, and we are going to see exactly how much these tumblers are making sellers on Etsy. So right off the bat here, we are seeing $7,000 a month, $2,000 a month, $11,000 a month, $9,000 a month, $24,000 a month selling tumblers. And obviously with print on demand, we have so much creative freedom to create designs, use our abilities, use AI, so many different tools that you can use. So this is a really great opportunity. So I'm gonna be using a website today called KITTL. They are a design tool. I did recently just do a video about them, so I will link that for you. But KITTL is stepping up their game. Okay, I have used other different designing platforms for years, and I recently am gravitating towards KITTL every time. So here's what it looks like on the artboard when I hit create new product. And over here, I'm gonna see all of the different types of templates we can upload, do basic stuff, but down at the bottom here is KITTL AI. So we can use this AI tool to create any type of graphic and pattern. So I have not seen this anywhere else, and this is a really, really really cool tool. So what I'm gonna do here is type in what exact kind of pattern I'm looking for. And for this example, I'm going to type in mushrooms, moons, and stars. And I'm gonna go down to the patterns. Now, they have a bunch of different types of pattern styles. So cute, wallpaper, realistic, there's a few different ones. And I'm gonna just go with the painted one just to see what it's like. And then I just simply am gonna hit generate image. So as you can see, this just created a pattern for us. Now, depending on what exactly you're looking for, you can try out a bunch of different styles. So this one's not really exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna try again, same process, generate image with a different style. We also could change in a few different words there if we wanted it to look differently. So here is another pattern that it generated for us. This is kind of more along the lines that I'm looking for. And I can literally keep hitting that same generate button and just keep getting a bunch of different styles and designs. So I'm really just playing around with this until I get a pattern that is similar to what I had envisioned or that I like for my niche or for the product that I'm designing for. So I'm gonna use this one here as just an example for you. Gonna make it a little large here, make sure that the quality is looking good. And then I'm just gonna simply save this project and then I'm gonna show you how we would fill a space on our print-on-demand product. So I'm gonna download that by removing the background and as a PNG. And then I'm gonna pop over to Printify and select my Tumbler that I want to design on. And I'm gonna simply drag and drop that pattern that I just made right into my artboard on Printify. I'm gonna scroll down here and over on Printify's artboard, there is a create pattern button. And as you can see, if we press that, it just made us a beautiful pattern. That we can select different colors so that we can see in the mockups what those different color bottoms and straws would look like with this exact pattern. And so it's gonna load a bunch of mockups for us. And I would play around with this a little bit more. I would make sure the pattern lines up correctly. There's a bunch of different options within that when you do create the pattern. So it's really free for all once you do it. As you can see, the straw matches it, so it's good to go. What I noticed on Etsy as well is that a lot of these products for tumblers that were selling in the high numbers were offering a custom option. This is super easy to do on Printify by adding a name over this, or you could go back into KITTL and create a completely different design for a custom product that you could offer. So for example, I just use the AI feature to create a vector wildflower image, and then I could add a name at the bottom and use this design. Or there's so many different types of templates on KITTL that you can use to design as well. So let me know if you're gonna start selling print-on-demand tumblers like this. I highly recommend that you check them out. There's so many different color options, design options, and it's an underrated product. So definitely check this out. Again, everything will be linked below for you. And I do want to let you know that if you are completely new to print on demand, I do have a fun announcement for you. There is an Etsy bootcamp available that you can learn Etsy print on demand for only $19 using my code. I'm gonna have that linked below for you with all the information, so do not skip out on that. It is a bootcamp that's gonna teach you step-by-step print on demand so that if you are new and you wanna start, you can get started right after this video for literally under $20 and have a full course where you can start designing, uploading your products, and using all of this information that I just told you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, be sure to like and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.